everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all super well. If you hear any bangs in the background, super sorry. I'm in my new house and I have my flooring people downstairs, so there might be a few bangs, but I'm just going to talk over the introduction and then I'll put music over the rest of the video because I'm doing some hair tutorials. I thought because people are going back to school, to college, to uni, wherever, going back to work, after an amazing summer, I thought I'd film 5 ideas for back to school hair. So yeah, I really hope you enjoy these 5 ideas. were my 5 back to school hair tutorials, or what did you think? Please leave a comment below. I'd love to know which one your favourite was. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And yeah, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And yeah, I will see you guys in another video very, very soon.